Laboos bamboo tongs. Okay, so I'm on a run with wooden utensils these days after I painstakingly seasoned my cast iron and that carbon steel wok. So I've been buying more wood utensils to use in them, and I went on to Amazon and I did a little searching, and I found that this Laboos is a good product, environmentally friendly bamboo tongs. And you got two. But one of my favorite parts about this is that they collapse. And it's like, oh, how does that work? Well, you go this way and they're tongs. You go this way and they store away in the drawer. I like that. They're wooden. They're not going to scrape my pans when I'm digging stuff out. They got little ridges right here to grab a hold of things. Definitely not cardboard or wood, but the food. We're going to use these with some fried pork soon. I like them. One set. $63 grams or 2.2 ounces, very light. They seem fairly durable. I can see a little metal pin right here. It doesn't come all the way through, but it feels like it's in good shape. But I got two. The price is on the screen. My first impression is they're good.